back again in my channel, and this is my new package again from Temu. Actually, when I bought this, I was thinking many times. I know what is this. We will unboxing after this. After this intro, I just want to tell you, this is food processor, and I have 3 already food processor before I bought this. Why I bought this? Because this is garlic peeler and food processor. So I was thinking a lot about this. I don't want to just spend money to buy a new food processor. I want it or I need it. I use garlic a lot daily when I cook, and I cook a lot. In Temu, I bought this is $45. Yeah, because in Amazon you can find the same, only a different brand. I think what made in China is they make the same brand. They make the same things. They make this thing, and many people will buy and put their brand. So in Amazon, I will put the link in description, and I think the picture in this video somewhere. You can see the picture in Amazon. It's always $99. So without further ado, we unboxing this. Okay. So this like this. This is what inside the box, like user manual. I have to read this because I don't understand. It's kind of different. And this is, I think, the machine and cover and tree. Actually, this is great. 3 stainless steel bowl, if I can get this. Okay, 1, 2, 3. 3. Wow. And the size, I like the size. I mean, if I want to mix something not too big but not too small, this is nice. And I got this. I need to read what for, and this too. I think, yeah, this is together. Oh, this is the knife. The knife they put the protector, plastic protector. Thoughtful. Yeah, this is a knife. And this one garlic peeler. It's from silicone. It's soft. I thought it's hard, but it's soft. I want to try this. Really want to try this. Okay, we'll see in the kitchen. I'm happy. It's all garlic peel, and it peeled. All it peeled. Let me check. So thank you guys for watching my video, and my review is this is not very strong food processor, but it's good enough, especially if you want to use for garlic peeler. I will link for Amazon, but this is I bought from Temu, and I like it. Thank you guys for watching my TV, and subscribe and like, please. Thank you. And this is really nice. It works. It works. Bye.